Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Since the U-turn for the Australian dollar, taking from 74 cents, the fact is we've got to the upside objective overnight after printing a high of 76.05 before the rejection. Clearly, from this point, I was calling that we should see supply coming back into the market, and evidently we did get exactly that after tumbling 25 points from the fresh highs. At present, the support comes in at 75.45, but from a technical point, the market still looks a little bit on the slight bullish case, so therefore we shouldn't discount further tests to the upside in the next 24 hours. This would again give us opportunity to short the market, as I believe from the 76 figure 25, we are looking for the bears to take the pathway back towards 73, 75.85. It was a quiet night overnight for the euro and also for the US dollar. Overnight, the dollar index posted a high of 93.48 before pulling back slightly. It is viewed that on the flip side that the euro has remained relatively negative since the break of the double top bearish reversal at level at 121.80, and from the break achieved its move at 118, and from there has set a new path to 116.60-65, even though the technical implications are slightly on the bullish divergence, and also indicating that we could possibly see an impulse to the upside very, very soon. The market would need to clear 118.10 to get the move up towards 118.65-75, which should generate renewed selling interest. We should not discount the fact that the market is still looking towards this region of 116.60 and reassess from there. Later today, we have the market to turn its interest to the Fed's May minutes. This could actually give further light in what the Fed's thinking in terms of the speed of hiking rates, whether it's going to be 3 for this year or 4. The dollar yen case has backed away from the level of 111.25 and now looking towards this uptrend at 110.10.15. With the overnight weakness slowly returning, it has eased the RSI out of its overbought condition and therefore could give soon further room for a rebound to take out the 111 region and look towards 112 to 114. In recent light of the view that we are getting a pullback, support intraday is at 55, and as I say, the uptrend at 110.10.15. The pound hasn't really gone anywhere except for slightly to the downside overnight, and the market will be looking today at the CPI numbers that are due out. It is viewed that the expected number will be unchanged in April for 2.5% year on year, while the core CPI is seen easing down to 2.2 from 2.3. The renewed weakness in the pound is likely to have pushed across a cost of imports, with analysts expecting PPI imports to have risen by 1.1% month over month. From a technical point though, I'm still looking to buy the dip, but whether or not it's going to be towards 133.80 or 133.20 is another matter. From a technical point though, we are clearly evidently looking for a rebound. Therefore, we could see a view up towards 134.70 to 135.25. Overnight, the gold was directionless, and at this stage, is still questioning whether the market has the potential to sell off since the rebound that we've seen here in a couple of dojis. And also, this could be a dragonfly doji, which in terms is a rejection from the bearish implications that we've been seeing lately. So therefore, we could see a rise up towards 1,297 and then further to challenge the recent break level of 1,300 to 03 to 05. Support, if weakness returns, is seen minus 88 and 84 to 78. And rounding off with oil, well, as I was looking for yesterday, was the fact we were looking for confirmation to the upside break of $72 a barrel. We haven't got it. Therefore, could see a pullback at the moment, as we're seeing, to 71.80 minor and down to $70.80. Overall, from the bearish implications from the RSI, I feel the market's failing at $72. Therefore, we could see this market tumble into the coming session. Resistance at this stage is seen around 72.5 to 72.70. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.